endurance. Patience is key, even though it feels urgent. Do you have the strength to sit with each moment? Identify your place in the scheme and then own it. Zoom out and see the overall picture. Take the thoughts with ya. Use pen to draft scripture. In the folds of time, the annals remind of the missteps that crumble kingdoms, and we'll find amidst the ruins, strands of grass now growing, displaying that the birth of an era had been looming. The new information breeds some new energy, a positive vibe that is available plentifully. What will you do with it? Be a true cynic, or will your legacy show that you grew with it? Take the path that leads to more light, don't miss out. This is your chance to shine bright.
Comes as fire in the dark, as a beat heart beating on the mark, like a lantern looking for a shade. Shadow shift and watch it fall away. It comes as spark into your mind, with a beat heart keeping you in time, as an ache and fury for the pain, and a will to never be the same.
Yo, where can we take you at this turn? On the surface of the sun, we may not get burned. So celestial, extraterrestrial. Music made with love, resurrecting you. Up from the sludge, up from the grind. Free from the shackles, free from the bind. Sight for the blind with some 8D glasses. Extra dimensions, best of intentions. Best not to mention heights of ascension to those who would throw the wrench in. Gut wrenching to think that we don't all wanna fly. If you're staying in the former states of mind, goodbye. I see new horizons, yes, the sun's rising. So awe-inspiring, watch us just dive in. Thriving as we bask in the light, don't miss out. This is your chance to shine bright.
When you see the breath of the life that lives, some child see the haze of the maze that keeps it. Daughter see the moon and the tide she came from. There to the duty, opportunity given. Eyes hold witness, but choices tasteless. Consume and waste till we've all gone nameless. Heart very evil in the din to bed is pillaging our field till we've all gone homeless. Without this home we would not be, and without this home we could not do, and without this home we will not live. We got too much to give it all up. So we see the breath of the life that lives them. Child see the haze of the maze that keeps them. Daughter see the moon and the tide she came from. There to the duty, opportunity given. Comes as fire in the dark, as a beat heart beating on the mark, as a lantern looking for a shade. Shadow shift and watch it fall away. It comes as spark into your mind, with a beat heart keeping you in time, as an ache and fury for the pain, and a will to never be the same.
I see new horizons, yes, the sun's rising. So awe-inspiring, watch us just dive in. Thriving as we bask in the light. Don't miss out, this is your chance to shine bright. I see new horizons, yes, the sun's rising. So awe-inspiring, watch us just dive in. Thriving as we bask in the light. Don't miss out, this is your chance to shine bright. Something break me out of this shell. Damn, I need an angel lift me out of my hell. The world looks pale whenever I can't create its romance. I dance with ideas that I take to the very edge of reason till we're barely left breathing. Don't wanna fall across that line, but I'm leaning. There's gotta be something more fulfilling. There's gotta be a place that isn't based on being lazy laced up with millions. Feels like every single breath we're taking is commodified. My mind is full of shit I seem to think I ought to buy. And these are just some words from a caged bird whose wings remain strong. My flight is my song. I hope to bring you along to sift through clouds. Hover about a mile above a world gone wild. And maybe not descend until we reach the earth's end. If the harmony we seek ain't found, we'll fly again. Now I understand why the caged bird sings. The melody can help them see the beauty in things. Now I understand all the caged bird's thoughts. The melody's essentially the key to the lock. Now I understand why the caged bird sings. The melody can help them see the beauty in things. Now I understand all the caged bird's thoughts. The melody's essentially the key to the lock. Struggling, cause the pressures of the world are so troubling. I take a look in the mirror and I see my harsh truths. I try to put my finer qualities to good use. I identify myself and try to live my own truth. I know I'm on a path, but sometimes I need proof. A sign or a hint, please throw me a bone. Words are my oasis, songs are my embraces. These are the tender moments where hopes float across oceans, seas part and avenues open. The tangled web is curious with an angled head. It speaks in various words that anger said. My level-headedness may be my greatest asset as I shuffle across the wriggle from this widely cast net. Are you hearing my song? See my wingspan wide and I'm trying a leap of faith to keep flying.
Wings clipped, tied, tip to toe, stalking, walking on the edges you were grown with. Shown this, told the mold was a permanent bone, but your heart wouldn't hold this. Roll the dice, melt the ice. It is a furious thing when the illusion dies. Eyes wide, open to be chosen by a life you will not choose to be caged by. In the call, in the starting, feet dug deep, heels hold to the memory of what's known, shown to be. And though it is comfort, it is not home to see. This dare is a deep one. Step off the edge and just jump one. A voice is a song if you use it. The fall is a flight if you choose it.
Now I understand why the caged bird sings. The melody can help them see the beauty in things. Now I understand all the caged bird's thoughts. The melody's essentially the key to the lock. Now I understand why the caged bird sings.